Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carly from CJ Plants. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell button so you never miss any of my future videos. In this plan with me in the Fauxbonichi, I'm gonna go ahead and be planning with the Shine Sticker Studio stickers. These I picked up at Michael's, and I thought it would be something really cute to add to the Fauxbonichi. So we're going to be using or pulling some of the stickers from the sticker books, and then I just want to go ahead and see how they're gonna look in the Fauxbonichi, which I think would be kind of cute because I did a plan in my classic happy planner with these Shine stickers, studio stickers, and it came out so cute. So now I want to see if I can incorporate it in my Fauxbonichi weeks. I did want to go ahead and show you guys really quick a sticker stash that I did add on to my Fauxbonichi. It is I picked this up at Office Depot. I went ahead and added the punch on both sides so the stickers wouldn't come out, and then you can go ahead and just add some stickers in here or in here. I have some stickers that I wanted to put in here just for when I go ahead and I'm on the go. It's just some of these stickers. I just go ahead and add them in here, and then I'll just put this back, and then I can just take it with me on the go. I believe I will have these available on my shop, whether it is just the decal or the folder I will have in my shop. So stay tuned for that. Or if you're interested, my shop will be linked down below, and you can go ahead and purchase these, and also there's going to be a 20% off. So if you're interested, go ahead and grab yourself one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take out the page. I'm going to go ahead and make my boxes and see how this turns out. So I'm going to go take these pages out. Put this book aside, and let's just see how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, so I had to switch the board in the back because I felt like you guys wouldn't be able to see what I'm planning because of the white on white. So I went ahead and switched the board very quickly. So let's go ahead and plan using... Let's go ahead and plan using the stickers. I think I want to start with the monthly sticker book. I think, let me see, as I took some of the stickers already off. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down the stickers so we can go kind of this way. So let's see how this is going to turn out. Okay, so I'm gonna see if I can add some of these stickers. Let's see. At the bottom, let's see, I think I want to go with the blue ones. Let's see if they have some blue ones in the front. This is a green one. I got some blue ones here. So let's use the blue ones. And we are planning for the 24th. So I'm going to put, these are so tiny. Add some washi tape just to kind of give it a little touch. So I'm gonna add this one to the top. If I can get it loose. I should just add this there just to kind of give it a little bit of extra instead of just the lines, and I kind of like it. So yeah, I'm gonna add this washi. So I ran out and it's like brown, so I won't be able to use this. No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I won't use that. We'll think of something else to put there. That's a bummer. Actually, let's see. We can add something cute. Let's add this one. gonna see if I find some more of these to-do stickers in this one. This one has 191 pieces. And I have some more of the to-do stickers. I'm absolutely loving the way this is coming out. It is so pretty and super functional. I just want to add a cute little more stickers of her. So I think I am absolutely satisfied with the way this layout came out. It is super cute and still super functional as well, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I did leave the back sides blank because I like to either take notes or write my grocery lists, or I'll just go ahead and journal what happened in the week and add some pictures for my kids as well. So I just like to leave the back blank, and that way I still have space to write if I need to add any other reminders or anything in the back, so it still gives me some space. But I absolutely love it. It came out so cute. I just want to go ahead and show you guys how cute that came out. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and thank you for watching.